What else are we missing?
Are there any like collards on there?
Yeah, it should be.
I'm sure there is.
Yeah, they're there.
Then I can be sure to have those for New Year's.
We have one variety right now.
Well, then I guess that'll have to be it. I have had success growing collards before. A couple times I grew those pretty good.
The collards are great too because they'll survive through the summer too, and through the winter. They're a super resilient green. And they don't taste great in the summer. You got to like really cook them down to like get the. We don't ever really eat them raw anyway. We pretty much always stir fry them.
Yeah, that's what.
We stir fry everything. It's just so. Our recipes are very simple.
We use like the Swiss chard as like big wraps.
Yeah,
that's my favorite thing to do.
I was going to say I've done that with the collard greens. Like the leaves, would just make a big wrap out of it too.
Yeah,
but more in the winter time. I've never even tried to grow them in the summer. So.
What about chard? Do you like chard?
I do.
Bright Lights is hands down the best chard variety.
Yeah, that's my very favorite.
And it's pretty.
And it tastes amazing too. Yeah, I love that one.
How do you guys cook do you like steam or stir fry it more so, or do you eat it like in a salad?
It's a combination. I mean, we do a little bit of all of it with Swiss chard. We use it sometimes fresh in salads or fresh as our like tortilla wraps. And then we can also do it in like a stir fry, things like that. Like we do it so many ways.
Cool.
It's probably Carrie's favorite thing.
Yes, absolutely. Swiss chard.
She gets so excited.
I get excited about Swiss chard.
I think it's really pretty. There's a neighbor close by that has a little garden, and they always have the Swiss chard, and I'm always like, it looks so pretty.